Hey guys, it's First Mentor Mike and Cameron over here and Robot Mom over in the corner. Giving you another quick update on our SSR rebuild. As you can see, we've made a little prototype ramp inside for our intake. And come around here for a second. If you see around the side, we have our control decks on the side.
Not strain relief, of course. So
not strain relief yet because they're not all wired together yet. And we have something resembling a flipper, but we're still working on that. But what we're going to show you today is we're going to do a quick test of our intake. So most of you that follow us on Twitter know that our friends from Andy Mark are working as hard as they possibly can to get in the soft compliant wheels, which look like there's the blues. There's the blacks. Again, these were courtesy of our friends from 8651. Wait for it. But we needed the softer ones, which were the green ones or the red ones. They had the red ones in stock. The green ones came back in stock today, so we have some coming in. But they're going to take a few days to get here. So, in the meantime, and in honor of our friend and fellow Traxxas, I don't know, we can't say teammate, we're not really an endorsee, but
Traxxas user.
Traxxas user, you guys know that we love all kinds of auto racing, and our friend Brittany Force was in a pretty scary crash at Pomona. She just got out of the hospital today. So in honor of her getting out of the hospital, not in honor of the crash, obviously, although she did everything she could to try to save the car. It was pretty amazing. We put our Traxxas wheels from last season back on here to try to use them as the intakes, because basically the entire Force family are Traxxas endorsees, grantees, marketing gurus. And if anybody's a marketing guru, it's John Force. So we put the Traxxas wheels back on. So Robot Mom's going to drive, which could be interesting all in itself. We don't pick on Robot Mom. We love her. She takes very good care of us. And Cameron's going to feed some glyphs in to show you what we did. And, we built just a little prototype ramp. We figured it probably has to be metal. It probably has to be something slicker than our little dollar store cutting boards that we're famous for. So let's give it a try.
On.
Okay, there's a single. That's good. There's another single. Oops, that didn't work so well. We'll do another one.
Okay. On. Yep.
Yeah.
Tries in a row.
Okay, so we probably need to maybe tune down the speed a little bit, which we can't right now. We have it on buttons just at a fixed speed. We're trying to tune for a fixed speed. So let's give it one more try.
On.
Sure. Maybe just do them two at a time.